Hey, my name is Dylan Crimebrink. I thank you for visiting my channel. I'm still experimenting and seeing what I want to do. It's going to be mostly photography related things. The two videos I've already got up at the time of recording this intro video. One is about building your own DIY camera bags. And so that one's already about like kind of being a photographer on a budget. The other video is about Darktable, which is an alternative program to Lightroom, and it's a free open source program that functions a lot like Lightroom. So it looks like, so far at least, my channel is going to be about doing photography on a budget, doing a lot of stuff DIY. Like, for instance, this microphone is connected to a long cable that goes into the camera. This is just stuff that I've had lying around. I have this microphone because I got it for $10 on a sidewalk clearance sale. There's nothing like a clearance sale to get me excited. So this is kind of what the channel's going to be like. I'm excited to make some more videos, and I hope you'll join me for those. So I just recorded the intro video for my YouTube channel, and I just wanted to show you a second my setup here for my light especially. Let me flip over the camera. So right in front of me, I've got the camera, obviously, Nikon D750, basically sitting inside of my photography closet. Then off to this side is the light. I've got it in a 24-inch softbox. But the thing is that I want to show you is inside of here, I'm using a Bowens mount for a speed light to attach the softbox to the light stand and stuff like that. Inside, I've got the two constant lights just sitting there. They're not attached to anything. They're just sitting on basically the floor of the softbox. And just wind the cords, extension cable into the wall. My desk setup. Don't look at as I zoom in, don't look at that mess of cords. So that is just my very simple home office setup.